Here it is, the Dell XPS 8100 that I got from eBay, and it won't turn on now. Before it made a beeping noise, but it doesn't even respond to power. Here's where I have it plugged in. Make sure that's seated right. Back to the power source right there. If you notice in here, it looks like there's some sort of light on. You caught a glimpse of it. There's like an orange light there, right at the bottom. I don't know if that's like backup light or whatever, but it looks like power's going to it. I tried different plugs. Oh, and the monitor up here is working. You see that light? So this guy's working fine. There's power here. Yeah, you can see that green. And this computer worked fine, but you try to do this and it doesn't work.